Hey, what's up guys? DJ here from Explore Gadgets and I hope you're doing well. And today I'm excited to share my in-depth review of the Uperfect UCOLOR O2 portable OLED display. I've been using this 16-inch 3K OLED monitor for a couple of weeks and I'm here to give you my honest take on its performance, design and overall value. Whether you're a creative professional or simply need a sleek on-the-go second screen, this video will cover everything you need to know. Right out of the box, the O2 impresses with its premium ultra-slim design. The package includes the monitor itself, a quick start guide, an HDMI cable, two USB-C cables, screws, and a USB-C power adapter. The build quality is top-notch, the aluminum back exudes a robust, professional feel, and the smart magnetic cover doubles as a stand, making it an ideal companion for those who are always on the move. I'm using the non-touch version of the O2 display. Whether you're gaming, editing photos, or handling productivity tasks, the monitor's 1 millisecond response time and 120Hz refresh rate ensures everything feels fast and responsive. I've tested various games like Fortnite, Forza Horizon, Red Dead Redemption 2, and to date, I have not faced any lags. Beyond gaming, I've found the display to be a powerhouse for creative and productivity work. When editing videos or photos, the quick response and minimal motion blur means that fast transitions and detailed movements are captured accurately, enhancing both workflow efficiency and overall viewing pleasure. The monitor handles graphic-intensive tasks with ease, providing vibrant colors and crisp details that are crucial for content creation. Here are the core specifications of the O2 monitor. The monitor offers a 3K resolution with 16:10 aspect ratio, providing extra vertical space for productivity and creative tasks. It supports a 120Hz refresh rate paired with a 1 millisecond response time, ensuring smooth motion during fast-paced application and gaming. With full 100% coverage of both sRGB and P3 color gamuts, the display delivers accurate color reproduction suitable for design and photo editing. The panel achieves around 400 nits in real-world conditions, though I typically use it for about 230 nits to balance brightness with eye comfort. The OLED panel provides deep blacks and high contrast. However, like many OLED displays, it does exhibit PWM flickering at certain brightness settings. The OLED panel provides deep blacks and high contrast. However, like many OLED displays, it does exhibit PWM flickering at certain brightness settings, so it's advisable to test it in person if you're sensitive to that effect. Weighing in at just 720 grams, this monitor is incredibly portable, fitting comfortably in your laptop bag. Its slim, modern design paired with a glossy screen ensures that visuals pop, though it may pick up reflections in very bright environments. The overall build feels solid and the minimal front branding gives it a clean, professional look. The accessory kit, including the smart cover that magnetically attaches to the back, is a thoughtful touch, providing both protection and a handy stand option. The O2 offers versatile connectivity with both USB-C and HDMI interfaces. On the right side, you'll find a mini HDMI 2.0 port along with two USB-C ports, one dedicated to power and the other for data. This allows for seamless connection to laptops, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. A quick tip: while a single USB-C cable can handle both power and data, pushing the brightness too high on that cable might cause the screen to black out. In such cases, an additional power source is recommended. The built-in physical buttons let you easily navigate the on-screen menu to customize your display settings. The OLED panel delivers excellent picture quality with vibrant, sharp visuals and deep blacks, making it a fantastic tool for creative work. As a content creator myself, I mostly use this monitor for viewing previews while editing videos, and it makes the process a lot easier. Its 16:10 aspect ratio offers a bit more vertical space than standard displays, which is great for productivity tasks like reading emails, editing documents, or working in creative software such as Adobe Photoshop. When it comes to gaming, the combination of a 120Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time creates a remarkably smooth experience. Although it lacks adaptive sync technologies like FreeSync or G-Sync, which can sometimes lead to screen tearing, the overall gaming performance remains impressive for a portable display. And for those who need a secondary monitor to boost productivity without sacrificing desk space, the O2 is a perfect fit. In summary, the Uperfect UCOLOR O2 OLED portable display offers a compelling blend of high-end visuals, fast performance, and excellent portability, all at a competitive price. The O2 stands out as an excellent option for anyone looking to expand their screen real estate on the go. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights.